Just once in your lifetime, you're allowed to roll money from your IRA into your HSA or health savings account. This is known as a qualified HSA funding distribution, and it might allow you to reduce your tax liability in retirement and also access retirement funds early. But there's a few things you should know before you make the transfer. First, you must be eligible to contribute to an HSA in order to do this rollover. If you are not currently enrolled in a high deductible health plan, you're not able to take advantage of this. In addition to that, you must remain in an HSA eligible health plan for 12 months after doing the rollover. If you switch health plans in that 12-month testing period, you'll be subject to fines, taxes, and penalties. Next, this rollover amount is capped at your annual contribution limit for your HSA, and this rollover counts towards that contribution for the year that you do the rollover. That means you're not able to both contribute the maximum amount through payroll deductions or just cash contributions, and also do this rollover in the same year. So why should you take advantage of this opportunity to roll money from your IRA to your HSA? First of all, it will reduce your tax liability. Recall that whenever you do a withdrawal from your IRA in retirement, it's going to be taxed as income. That's not the case with HSAs. As long as you have qualified medical expenses, withdrawals from HSAs are tax-free. One thing we know about healthcare and retirement is that it's expensive. You're not going to have a problem having qualified medical expenses. HSAs are also not subject to RMDs or required minimum distributions. That means if you don't need the money, it can stay in the HSA and continue to grow and compound tax-free. This rollover also allows you to potentially tap your retirement funds before age 59 and a half. If you withdraw from an IRA before that age, you're subject to taxes and penalties. With HSAs, you're able to access that money at any time as long as you have qualified medical expenses. So this rollover can be potentially very valuable to anybody that's going to retire before age 65 or has big medical bills before age 59 and a half. Ultimately, we see HSAs as one of the best types of accounts to have going into retirement, and anyone able to take advantage of this one-time opportunity to roll money from your IRA to your HSA should certainly do so.